Alternative internet marketing methods that make instant money in 2019 and 2020. The world of internet marketing is full of methods that go beyond promoting your own business. If you want to complement your income and have some fun while you're at it, we encourage you to try our favorite alternative internet marketing methods. Personal branding. One of the best things to come out of internet marketing is personal branding. Personal branding is the process of marketing yourself, and there are several benefits of doing it. First off, marketing yourself allows you to build up trust and authority around your persona. When you build a personal brand, it gets easier to promote a larger business, as people have already learned to trust you and your personal brand. And secondly, it opens up a lot of networking opportunities. By creating a personal brand, you'll be able to create more partnerships, to attract sponsors, and to get more invitations to discuss your products or businesses as a guest on other people's blogs, newsletters, and YouTube videos. Podcasting. Podcasts are audio sessions where you discuss a topic of interest for the benefit of your audience. And with podcasting, you can create a closer connection with people that might be interested in what you have to offer, because they can hear you speak to them directly about their pain points. This humanizes the way you promote your products and services, and makes it easier to encourage them to take action. Webinars. Webinars are live video sessions where you discuss a content piece on camera. And most of the time, webinars are used as mini-courses to introduce leads to a product or service. In the majority of cases, access to webinars is restricted to those that register with their email addresses to reserve a seat. When a person registers for a webinar, you can send them reminders to attend, and you can also send them a recorded version of your webinar if the person was not able to attend. If the person attends or downloads the recorded webinar, it converts them into a lead and qualifies them as a potential customer that you can keep nurturing and moving deeper down your sales funnel. Influencer marketing. Similar to personal branding, influencer marketing is the process of building a relevant presence on social media. You do this by creating an account where you provide valuable content and entertainment to a niche audience to build trust and authority. Once you have built a following, you can use it in two ways. On one hand, you can promote your own business or affiliate offers. Your audience trusts and likes you, so it's easier to convert them. On the other hand, you can use your following as social proof to get sponsorship deals. Coaching and consulting. You can use your complete internet marketing expertise to sell coaching and consulting services to other marketers. By providing high-quality advice and solutions to fellow marketers, you'll be able to build a solid reputation as an expert while making some good money on the side. Also, you can use your mastery of complete internet marketing to produce your own courses and books, which will provide you with a permanent income stream. Complete internet marketing strategies for e-commerce enthusiasts in 2019 and 2020. E-commerce enthusiasts are lucky they can try so many different internet marketing tactics on their stores, but it can get overwhelming. For them, we have listed our top complete internet marketing strategies that you can use on your e-commerce website. Use visual discovery platforms to showcase your store products. Posting professional-grade pictures of your best products on visual discovery platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, is a great way to drive interest for your brand and your offers. It is also a very cost-effective way of promoting the products in your store. It is free to upload your product pictures to Instagram or Pinterest, and you can attract plenty of qualified traffic by adding relevant hashtags to all your product posts. The key is to upload compelling photos to feature your products in different scenarios, to use hashtags strategically, and to stick to a publication schedule. By adding attractive product pictures to your visual discovery posts and encouraging users to learn more about your products by visiting your product pages, you'll be using these platforms to increase traffic and sales. Launch a Facebook store. You can use Facebook to drive interest about your products and to encourage direct visits to your product pages. You can easily add a store tab to your Facebook business page where you can showcase all the products in your online store. Each time when users click on one of your products, they'll see a call to action button encouraging them to buy it on your store. Use exit intent technology. You can add an exit intent pop-up to your e-commerce store as part of your email marketing efforts. You can use exit intent pop-ups to offer time-sensitive discounts to abandoning visitors, instructing them to join your mailing list to receive their discount code. Offering a significant discount that is between 25 to 30% can help you achieve two objectives. First, it helps you drive a quick, easy sale from a visitor that wasn't going to convert otherwise. And two, you can get a new email subscriber to nurture. Add live chat. Potential customers want to get answers right away. Most of the people that enter your store will leave if they can't find an answer to a question that they might have about your products or services. To avoid losing potential customers because of this, we recommend you to implement live chat on your online stores. This creates an additional communication channel that is immediate. Promote user-generated content. One of the most effective ways to build social proof and trust in your brand is by encouraging existing customers to take and share pictures or videos of them using your products, or the final results of using one of your services. Then ask them for permission to share them yourself on your social media channels and tag them in your posts. This will help you to show actual people using and loving your products, and will expose your brand to your customers' followers, increasing your reach. Complete Internet Marketing Best Practices in 2019 and 2020. Complete Internet marketing is crucial for the success and survival of your business online. If your goal is to maintain a good pace, to avoid getting overwhelmed, to grow a healthy relationship with your audience and your competition, and to improve, you have to follow these simple best practices. Know your audience. We have mentioned the importance of knowing your audience. You have a better chance of reaching the right type of customer if you know what type of people are more likely to buy from you. However, knowing your audience also means knowing how to interact with it. If you don't know how to engage people in your audience with a conversation, or what kind of topics they're sensitive to, you run the risk of being perceived as out of touch. The best approach, then, is to learn to talk to people in your audience when you respond to their comments on social media, or when you answer their direct messages and emails. Update your search engine optimizations. On average, search engine algorithms go through 500 changes a year. Besides that, companies such as Google do not reveal what factors actually influence site rankings. As expert marketers, we simply trust our results and experience when it comes to applying optimizations. So it is crucial that you update your search engine optimizations every 3 to 4 months. You don't have to change the entire structure of your content. You simply have to audit the keywords and search terms in your content using the Google Keyword Planner to find if they're still relevant, and to replace them with updated keywords and search terms. Make blogging a priority. Blogging doesn't only help you to attract qualified organic traffic and leads, it also helps you to keep your website alive. How? The search engines determine the health of your website by how active it is. Posting long-form content regularly indicates to search engines that your site is active and that it can stay indexed. So don't conform with posting a truly great article once a month. Make it a priority to create 2 or more blog posts a week, because each content page that you create is an additional page that gets indexed, which in turn increases your site's reach and discoverability. Personalize the customer experience. Online customers expect brands to personalize their experience and to offer them content and advertising that is familiar to them. You can personalize the customer experience by learning about the buying preferences of your potential customers, by monitoring their online activities. What's more, personalization is a process that is automated by analytics tools, advertising platforms, and remarketing services. So there's a wealth of sources from where you can get very specific information about your perfect customer. So when you approach a customer on social media or by email, refer to them by their name and not their handle. Provide them with content about the stuff they like. Engage them in social media and follow them when appropriate.